If you are a car lover, this video is for you. This is my Wagon-R. This was my dad's second car that he ever got and my first car. It has been a great companion for 20 years. We got it in 2004 and drove 2 lakh kilometers in it. I also learned how to drive in this car. I even modified it to look fancy with cameras and a sound system. Are you riding? But now, due to the scrappage policy, you cannot use a car that is more than 20 years old. So, with a heavy heart, I said goodbye to my Wagon-R. As much as I'm sad to see my Wagon-R go, I'm equally excited for a new car, the Volkswagen Taigun. So after a very long wait, we are getting a new car, that is a Volkswagen Taigun. हम जा रहे हैं रिक्शा में, लेकिन आएंगे हमारे Taigun में. So Ami, how are you feeling about the Taigun?
I'm very excited, very happy for Ajay's choice. We wanted to go for a small car, but then finally we decided on Taigun.
But let's go for Taigun now. Pretty excited. And here it is, my sweetheart, my Wagon-R. Miss you. Hello Duzel, how are you? पण कुठे आलोय?
Volkswagen
आणि का आलोय?
गाडी घ्यायला.
कुठली गाडी?
Taigun.
हो तुला माहिती आहे? Very good Duzel. My dad always wanted to get an SUV but also wanted to drive it in a crowded city like Pune. So we are here to get Taigun. What are your thoughts?
I'm so happy.
But you're sick to look happy.
Because I'm really sick, I'm not well. So waiting for the car to come home.
Nice, let's go. And the Taigun is a perfect combination of the two, powerful and compact. This is Taigun. Welcome home.
Hello Vikhankar, thank you and purchasing new Taigun and enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you sir.
But this video is not about my cars, it's about something bigger. This experience taught me that all things, good or bad, must come to an end. Be it a car or be it any relation. Attachments are natural, but they also weigh you down. So enjoy and love the ride till it lasts, and I'll see you on the road.